Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yandere Simulator for the first time. Let's dive right into the basics. You'll want to familiarize yourself with the controls for moving around the school, interacting with items, and speaking to other students. Mastering these fundamental actions, such as walking, running, and even crouching, is crucial for navigating the game world effectively and beginning your journey as a Yandere. Pay close attention to the tutorial prompts as you start. Your main objective in Yandere Simulator is to eliminate your rivals before they confess their love to your senpai. Each week introduces a new rival, so observing their schedule and habits is key. There are many ways to achieve your goal, from poisoning food to framing others, or even direct, violent methods. Remember, remaining undetected is paramount. If anyone sees you commit a crime, your game could end quickly. Plan carefully and act discreetly. Beyond eliminating rivals, managing your school life is vital. Keeping a positive reputation will make students trust you more and prevent them from reporting suspicious behavior. Attending classes can boost your stats, and joining clubs offers unique abilities or items, like a lock-picking skill from the drama club. Always remember to clean up any blood, dispose of bodies, and hide weapons to avoid being caught by the faculty or police. Stay clean, stay safe. As you become more experienced, you can explore advanced tactics. The school offers many hidden paths and useful items, like a bucket for water or a mop for cleaning, that can aid your schemes. You can also befriend certain students to ask for favors, or even manipulate others into doing your dirty work. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Some rivals might be easier to eliminate with specific methods. Practice makes perfect in the art of the Yandere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.